Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Bernie, the video guy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna turn it on. Come on.
Not too long after Flacco finished working on the Doodlebug, I took it to my first Minibike show.
What up, what up? It's a little different.
Man.
Yeah.
It looks fresh. All right, let's drag it in.
We met up with Jack Ramsey at the Minibike Coalition in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So not only is this my first Minibike show, but it's Malachi's Minibike show at one of my favorite car shows, the Darryl Starbird Car Show. One thing I love about this community is how welcoming everyone is. I've met so many cool people who are passionate about these mini bikes, which is kind of rubbed off on me. Pretty sure this won't be my only mini bike. Now let's go meet up with Jack.
How's it going? Good, good. Jack, where we at?
What's up, man? We are at Darryl Starbird downstairs in the Rockin' Bash. We all came out here. We've been coming for years. They started doing some mini bike drag races. Then I was like, we need to have a mini bike show. Currently, we're at the Rat Rod Magazine booth. And the good folks with Rat Rod Magazine put on the downhill there. Here's one of our Rat Rod Magazine folks right here. We wanted to give something away during one of the events, and we were like, something perfect for the kids. So Go Power Sports hooked us up, and this is the bike that they're gonna get, the Ectomobile 8105 frame. It's your motor when you win that downhill derby, you know what I'm saying?
Jerry Ripley, I'm the owner and editor of Rat Rod Magazine. We're at Starbird Show. This is our big kickoff show that we do every year because we love it. This is one of the biggest shows in the country. And there's not very many shows of this caliber that set off such a big portion of their showroom just for the blue collar rat rods and hot rods. So we love it. I mean, this is our kickoff. You can find us on our website. We have a store on the website, the official Rat Rod store, www.ratrodmagazine.com. Check us out on Facebook and join our 1.6 million followers. Always got some good stuff going on there. We keep everybody up to date on what's going on in the Rat Rod world, where the cool shows are at, and where you can find the magazine, all that good stuff.
All right, guys, so this is my sister, Katie. She supports me and like everything I do. So she wanted to come out. She likes to do detailing on the side. And I was like, drag it out here and let's detail some bikes. She was busy Thursday, did a bunch of stuff. She did my bar stool and everything. And now she gets to knock out this beautiful piece here. That's Bernie's bike. Flacco just finished. Thank you everybody who's here that was racing with us yesterday, today. We're gonna do some more racing tomorrow. Tomorrow will be fun. Today was for the guts and glory, guys. And everybody did a good job. It was actually, I feel like we were a lot more organized than we were last year, and that's awesome. Let's keep it going. We're gonna start with the stock. Stock is my man Joey here. Did a great job, brother. For modified, 145, Dozer. Drag it in here, brother. All right, and for Outlaw, my boy Tristan reeled it in again. Good job, Tristan. All right, so tomorrow we're gonna have some more races for fun. You guys come out and check that out as well. Thank you guys. Congratulations to everybody that won, man. Good job, guys. Welcome everybody, it's Sunday morning. We're at the 61st Darryl Starbird Indoor Custom Rod Show. We are downstairs at the Rockin' Billy Bash portion of the show.
On day 2, Jack and Jeff knocked out a live build of the Little Rascal 98 to show everyone how simple it can be. Mini biking ain't easy, but if he can do it while running a show, you'll be fine in your garage.
I'm Raul Rosario. We're at the Starbird Car Show, and I'm here with my Ectomobile, or my Ecto 1 replica. It is 100% local built here, and yeah, and we're pretty much almost attention to detail. It's as close as you can get to the actual movie car.
What was the hardest part about this?
Finding the car to begin with. I've had the car for about 15 years. This car actually started its life as a 1960 Cadillac, which meant that we had to replace the whole front and the whole back of it to make it look like the movie, welding the whole back end.
You guys did an amazing job.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm Taylor Favors. We're at the Darryl Starbird Car Show, and I'm here with the dually go-kart and gooseneck trailer combo. I had an inspiration that I wanted to carry my friends to the drag strip with a semi. So I was intentionally looking for a Peterbilt or Detroit style go-kart with a trailer, and I found one in Tennessee that I was gonna get, and the deal fell through, and I just couldn't get a hold of anything. And so I found this in OKC that I was able to trade my old go-kart with, and we've just kind of been building on it since.
When we first came up with the idea for taking the bikes to the drag show and stuff, I was like, this needs to be more than the mini bike show. This needs to be part of the actual Rockin' Billy Bash segment of Darryl Starbird Show, and so that's why we went ahead, threw the go-kart on there to give it that look. I think the plan is to try to get it to the Bull Star picnic, but my buddy needs to severely get a truck and a trailer. Yeah, me and him we're riding to the Bull Star picnic. We're riding our mini bikes from Shoto, Oklahoma, all the way to Keller, Texas. So that's gonna be wild. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Dylan Jones. We're at the Darryl Starbird Car Show in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This is my shopping cart go-kart. Built it from the ground up in my garage. It's got a 212 on the back with a Nibby racing carb, torque converter, hydraulic brakes, completely custom, headlights, tail lights, brake light. It took me about a year. I got the inspiration for it here last year with Minibike Coalition guys, Barstool go-karts. It all comes apart. You can take it all apart, ride it without the basket. Running a 12-volt ATV battery, power everything. It was all just a MIG welder in my garage, a grinder, and just a lot of time, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. What's next for it? Probably building the motor, because it's the motor's all stock right now. Didn't really have it in the budget to get that done in time for the show, but I think everything else is good. A lot more work to be done, a lot more finishing up to make a final product, but I'd say she's pretty.
Another great Starbird show. This is my 3rd year in a row coming here, and the scene just looks better and better. Mini bike racing, downhill derbies, dope cars, cool prizes. But after we gave out the prize, it was time to dip out and head back to the shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.
So next year, if we're allowed to do this again, which I'm sure we will, we'll get more awards because we got some really ballsy kids out there. They've done an amazing job racing these cars. And we got some maniac adults too. I'm sorry, Joey, you took out my photographer. You're banned for 100 years from the magazine. Our adult winner of the adult class is Chloe. Right on.
When they take that banner down, you get a banner.
You'll get that banner to take home with it. Right. The kids get this trophy. This was donated very generously by Go Power Sports. Super rad little go-kart one of these kids are going to get. We did not expect this. This is really, really cool. We appreciate it very much. I know the kids are going to. But our winning kid is Julian. Right on. Where? Nobody? All right, here we go. Everybody getting this picture, my winners? What do you think, man? Is that cool or what? Is that cool or what? Yeah.
How do you feel about the race?
I feel good that I won, and I kind of just did it for fun.
Did you like have a technique or like a plan? You
No.
just did whatever you felt.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with the bike?
I don't know.
You're gonna build it.